In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable inline editing and enhanced lists in Salesforce. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Salesforce Setup. Once you're in Setup, head over to the Quick Find search box in the side panel. This is the fastest way to locate specific settings without having to browse through multiple menus. In the search field, type User Interface and then select it from the results. When the User Interface settings page opens, look for the option called Enable Inline Editing. Make sure that box is checked. This setting allows users to edit certain fields directly from places like list views instead of opening each record one by one. It's a simple change, but it can make everyday updates much faster and more efficient. Next, find the setting called Enable Enhanced Lists and check that box as well. Enhanced Lists improves the overall list view experience by giving users a more flexible and functional layout. This works hand in hand with inline editing, so it's important to make sure both options are enabled if you want the feature to work smoothly. After both boxes are selected, click Save. That will apply the changes to your Salesforce environment. Once the settings have been saved, navigate to a list view that is filtered by a single record type. This part is important because inline editing in list views works best when the view is set up in a supported way. If your list includes multiple record types, you may not be able to edit cells directly even if the settings are turned on. In that list view, you can now double-click directly into editable cells to make changes on the spot. This is especially useful when you need to update several records quickly, such as adjusting statuses, ownership details, or other fields that appear in the list. Instead of opening records individually, you can work right from the list and save time. As a quick tip, if double-click editing doesn't seem to work, first confirm that the field itself is editable for your profile and that the list view is filtered correctly. Those are common reasons the option may not appear. And that's it. With inline editing and enhanced lists enabled, Salesforce list views become much more efficient and user-friendly for day-to-day record management.